In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust, an essential tool for maintaining robust security practices and effectively managing your digital infrastructure. Whether you're a seasoned tech professional or new to the realm of cybersecurity, this guide will walk you through each step of the way, making sure you navigate the platform with confidence and ease. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Cloudflare homepage by entering the URL into your web browser. This is your starting point for accessing all that Cloudflare has to offer. Once you arrive at this page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which is designed to facilitate a smooth user experience. As you explore the interface, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Zero Trust section. Clicking on this will guide you into a more focused setting where you can delve into the specifics of Zero Trust. This is where the security magic begins. Cloudflare's Zero Trust platform is geared towards enabling organizations to secure user access with precision and reliability, so you're in the right place for enhancing your network security protocols. On reaching the Zero Trust home, take this opportunity to browse through the platform's various features. Each tab and section serves a unique purpose to assist you in configuring the Zero Trust environment to fit your precise needs. It's the central hub where you can manage identity, access, and security policies. Now, if analytics is what you're looking for, you can view these insights right in the overview section. The analytics provided on this platform are comprehensive, giving you a detailed view of your network's performance and security posture. This data is crucial for making informed decisions, enabling you to spot trends, detect anomalies, and optimize your system's performance. Moreover, the gateway section offers an array of functionalities aimed at securing internet traffic and defining policies at a granular level. This is essential for protecting data in transit and ensuring that only trusted users and devices gain access to your network resources. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the various configurations available within the Gateway feature to tailor your security settings efficiently. Finally, the Networks area within the Cloudflare Zero Trust platform presents more advanced options for network management and protection. Here you can explore and deploy additional security measures that align with your organizational needs. The network settings are where you can enable and manage features that ensure your infrastructure is safeguarded against threats. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to access and navigate Cloudflare Zero Trust. Remember, leveraging these tools can significantly bolster your security infrastructure, providing you with peace of mind knowing that your organization is protected against potential threats. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to engage with each section to get the most out of your Cloudflare experience.